Duol mochung' Jogedo National Construction Authority otudore kod kuonde tiegruok mag TVETs e puonjo jogedo e pachoka ka gigeto chiwo rieko mar ka ginyalo tiyo e kembe mag gedo. Manager mar NCA Steven Nyakondo ne loso kinde mane itiego jogedo makwan gramo 400 e skund tiegruok ma Manyata mantiere Embu County. Jogedo mondo chopie kuonde tiegruok okoni e ndalo mabiro onge jagedo mabiro tiyo ka ok oyudo oboke mar gedo koa NCA. Tiegruok no bende idwaro mondo jomamoko kaka jo stima kod pi mondo giyud lony mibiro tigo de chenro mar piny owacho mar gero udi ma nyasani.
That we are seeing happening currently in the country. As an authority, we've moved very fast in terms of making sure that we can improve the quality of the industry. And this program is a very important program for us as an NCA, so that we can be able to build up and bring on board fundis who are qualified and fundis who have been tested and tried in the industry. And if we find the contractor is culpable, there are actions that are taken. So we already have some that have been blacklisted because of the actions or the penalties that they've been able to do on sites.
Conducting a training and accreditation program that is meant to prepare our fundis from mashinani on safety and on issues to do with construction good practices. And I thought, as a member of parliament, that while we are talking of housing and putting money to housing, we have to prepare our people on the ground to take these opportunities. In NCA, we want to partner with this institution that when they are doing their graduations, the NCA should also come and accredit the people who are graduating so that they go directly to the job market from now henceforth.
Kembe madongo koro biro yote chwalo omenda ne jogo magitimogo ohala bang' bengi mar faulu